When it comes to landing page software, two of the most talked about options are ConvertKit and Landingi. But which one truly stands out when you're looking for the best tool to create high-converting landing pages? Let's dive in and find out. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to share a better alternative you might want to consider. Trust me, you won't want to miss that. First, let's talk about ConvertKit. It's primarily known as an email marketing tool, but it does have landing page features as part of its offering. One of ConvertKit's strengths is its ease of use. The drag and drop editor is simple, and you can build a landing page in no time, even if you don't have design experience. However, ConvertKit's templates can feel a little limited compared to what some other landing page builders offer, especially when it comes to customization. Now, let's move to Landingi. Unlike ConvertKit, Landingi is designed specifically for creating landing pages. This means you get a more focused set of features. The drag and drop editor is also here, but Landingi offers more advanced customization options. You get access to a wide variety of templates, and the level of flexibility in design allows for more creative control. But here's the downside: it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, especially if you're not familiar with landing page design. Next thing, let's talk integrations. ConvertKit does a fantastic job of integrating with popular email platforms, and if you're already using ConvertKit for your email marketing, the integration with landing pages is seamless. However, if you need advanced integrations or want to connect with more third-party tools, ConvertKit falls short in this area. You'll need to rely on Zapier, which can add some extra complexity. Landingi, on the other hand, supports a broad range of integrations out of the box, especially for those using CRMs, analytics tools, and marketing platforms. So, if you need to connect with various tools, Landingi has the edge here. Fourth thing, let's compare pricing. ConvertKit offers a free plan, but its landing page functionality is fairly limited unless you upgrade to a paid plan. The paid plans are on the expensive side compared to some other options out there. This can be a deal breaker if you're on a tight budget. Landingi has a free trial, but after that, its plans can get costly, especially if you need more than just basic landing pages. So, both tools are priced fairly similarly when it comes to premium plans, but ConvertKit might offer a better deal if you just need simple pages and already use ConvertKit for email marketing. Fifth thing, let's get into the analytics. ConvertKit's analytics are pretty straightforward, but they aren't as in-depth as some users may need for optimizing landing page performance. If you're looking to dive deep into conversion rates, A/B testing, and tracking specific metrics, ConvertKit's offering might not be robust enough for you. On the other hand, Landingi offers more advanced analytics with A/B testing features, which is a huge plus for optimizing your landing pages over time. So, after considering all of that, let me say this. Both ConvertKit and Landingi are solid choices, but there's a catch. They're not perfect. ConvertKit is fantastic if you're already in the ConvertKit ecosystem and just need basic landing pages, but for more customization and advanced features, it's a little limiting. Landingi, while amazing for landing page creation, can be a bit complex for beginners, and it doesn't offer the best pricing for the features you get. After trying them both, I've found there's actually a better alternative for landing page creation that combines the best of both worlds: easy to use, advanced customization, great pricing, and powerful integrations. If you want to take advantage of a better option, check out the first link in the description. Not only will you get the best free trial available, but through our link, you'll also unlock exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Give it a try and see how it compares to both ConvertKit and Landingi. Thanks for watching.